Good evening, GT sir, and all my dear friends. So today I am going to give a lecture on my topic BIMSTEC. Basically, I had divided my topic in three parts: history of BIMSTEC, objectives of BIMSTEC, and Indian benefits of BIMSTEC, and at last conclusion. So basically, starting with the BIMSTEC stands for Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economical Cooperation, and it has total of seven members, in which starting with India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and its aim was to create enabling friendly relationship with neighboring countries and also increase trade and commerce with neighboring countries in the Bay of Bengal region. So move on to history of BIMSTEC. BIMSTEC was originally BIMSTEC was origin in 1997 through Bangkok Declaration. Initially, there were four members in it, and it was known as BIST.EC, Based Economic Cooperation, which include Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, and Thailand. And later, it was renamed in 1997, the same year as BIMST.EC, in which included Myanmar also in the and become five member. And in finally 2004, Nepal and Bhutan were also added in it, and finally it was came to known as BIMSTEC, which means for Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Region. Now objectives, moving on to the objectives of BIMSTEC. BIMSTEC objectives are creating and enabling a friendly environment for the rapid economic development of the region of Bay of Bengal and connecting the major sea routes with the countries, and also encouraging the spirit of equality and partnership with the neighboring countries of which are surrounded with Bay of Bengal, and also to accelerate support for each other in the field of education, science and technology. As we can see, the Southeast Asian countries like Myanmar and Thailand are not too much developed in education field, so need to for developing them also it will help, and also to promote active collaboration in the field of common interest. Like there are many field in common interest like trade and commerce, which will help all the seven countries to make friendly relation, and also to counter terrorism and counter insurgency in Indian Ocean and also in Bay of Bengal, because as we can see, China Belt and Road Initiative is also there. So all the seven country can took a sharp look on China insurgencies there. And now moving on to benefits which India get, like it allowed India to pursue three core policies like neighborhood first policy, economic development of Indian northeastern states, and also Act East policy. These three policy also made good impact and also help our northeastern states to get developed. And also there are many important connectivity projects which were made by BIMSTEC, like Kalanada multi-modal project, which was made for linking India and Myanmar through seaports of Bay of Bengal and of Myanmar. The Asian Trilateral roadway is also made for connecting India, Myanmar, and Thailand for road connectivity and betterment of the northeastern state. And also Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal motor motor vehicle agreement was also done for making a seamless flow for all the four countries for their Congo cargo and passengers. And at last, the last summit of BIMSTEC was also done in 2018. After that, they had not the all seven countries had not made for meeting. And at last, in conclusion, I want to say that with association association and initiative was taken to make friend relationship with the countries and promote healthy relationship with other countries. Thank you.